Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. So here let's assume that I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads, and now my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be Google Sheets. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets. So here let's assume that I have a bakery and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. This here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. And now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. Here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So here I've named it as connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets in 5 minutes. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So here in Pabbly Connect, going to my trigger window, I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads as my trigger application because I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads, and now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. And now moving to my action window, as I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So here Google Sheets will be my action application, and the action event will be to add new row. So now to begin with this process, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. Here I'm going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So this here is the Facebook page that I've created for my bakery, and it is by the name of More Than Bakery. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this page drop down, I'm going to search for my bakery page, that is More Than Bakery, and I'm going to select it. After selecting the page, moving to the lead gen form, here I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the 3 lead ad form which I've created. So I want to use this lead ad form that is by the name of More Than Bakery product form. So here in Pabbly Connect, from the drop down, I'm going to select this as the lead gen form. And after selecting the page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do that, in this new tab, I'm going to search for Meta for Developers. And in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And here under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So this here is the Lead Ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So this here is the lead gen form, and I filled in the details. So after mentioning the details, I'm going to submit this form, and it says, thanks, you're all set. So it says your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I've received a response, and here are the details of the lead. So the first step of this automation is setup. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead details, now I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So I need to establish a connection. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply sign in with my Gmail account. So here you can see that Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets is successfully connected. So this here is the Google Sheet that I've created by the name of Facebook Leads, and it only consists of one sheet and of 4 columns. So in this Google Sheet, I want to add the Facebook lead details. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this select spreadsheet drop down, I'm going to select my spreadsheet as Facebook Leads. And over here, the selected sheet is sheet 1 automatically because it only consisted of one sheet. So now moving to the details, here I'm going to mention the details by using the method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map it from the previous response received. So I'm going to map the details over here and I'm mapping it. And now I'm going to map the email and now I'm going to map the phone number. This method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, so that response can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive one. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that the Facebook lead details is successfully added over here in a new row in this Google Sheet. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.